The secret to fresh air might be sitting in your kitchen right now. You don't need expensive products to keep your home smelling clean. Any container you have available can become a powerful air freshener. Old candle jars or glass cups work perfectly for this simple trick. Take a fresh lemon and prepare to unlock its hidden potential. Make a crosscut at the top to expose the juicy center inside. This simple cut allows the lemon's natural fragrance to escape. Coarse salt plays a crucial role in this natural air freshener. Add 2 tablespoons directly into the lemon's exposed center. The salt works silently to neutralize unpleasant household odors. As days pass, it gradually releases the lemon's refreshing oils. This creates a subtle, natural fragrance throughout your space. Now comes the special ingredient that makes all the difference. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar to activate the lemon's power. The combination might seem unusual, but the results are incredible. I discovered this life-changing trick from an unexpected source. A maid who worked for wealthy families shared this secret. The rich have been using this method for years quietly. 3 simple kitchen ingredients can transform your home's air. Plastic containers work better than glass for this particular recipe. When salt absorbs moisture, it expands significantly over time. This expansion could cause glass containers to crack dangerously. Place a simple cotton pad at the bottom of your container. Even used makeup remover pads work perfectly for this purpose. The cotton helps distribute the ingredients' effects evenly. Coarse salt's irregular crystals make it exceptionally effective. Its rough texture creates more surface area for absorption. This scientific principle makes it far superior to refined salt. Now add that magical spoonful of your regular dish detergent. The detergent helps break down odor molecules in the air. For that luxurious touch, add 5 drops of your favorite perfume. No perfume. Fabric softener works just as wonderfully. Cloves add the finishing touch to this powerful mixture. Their warm scent complements the lemon beautifully. Cloves serve a dual purpose as natural insect repellents. Cockroaches and spiders can't stand their distinctive aroma. The final step is crucial for proper air circulation. Never seal the container completely. Moisture needs to escape. Use a heated fork to create perfect holes in the lid. This simple tool makes quick work of plastic lids. Place these fresheners strategically throughout your home. Closets benefit tremendously from this moisture control. Winter clothes stored with this stay fresh for seasons. Bathrooms transform with this natural dehumidifying power. Cars lose that stale fast food smell permanently. The wealthy place these near air conditioning vents. This spreads freshness throughout entire homes effortlessly. It outperforms expensive commercial air fresheners dramatically. The cotton and charcoal work together magically. Their combined action absorbs moisture relentlessly. Mold stands no chance against this powerful duo. Rainy seasons become manageable with this hack. The cotton keeps the charcoal functioning longer. Added fragrance ensures pleasant air continuously. Every room maintains perfect humidity levels. Drawers stay dry and fresh year-round. Shoe racks lose their offensive odors. Laundry areas smell like sunshine always. This solution costs practically nothing to make. It uses items already in your pantry. The environmental benefits are significant too. No harsh chemicals pollute your living space. Once you try it, you'll make it regularly. Friends will beg to know your secret. The pepper and toilet paper trick surprises everyone. Fold a single square carefully in half. Roll it tightly to create a slender rope. This simple preparation hides incredible power. Toothpaste mixed with pepper creates magic. The combination seems odd but works miraculously. Spread this paste on your paper rope. A glass container holds the finished product. Light just the tip to create smoke. This smoke drives insects absolutely crazy. Mosquitoes vanish from treated areas immediately. Gnats disappear as if by magic. Even stubborn cockroaches flee in terror. The pepper's capsaicin intensifies the effect. Insects detest this particular smoke. Nighttime becomes peaceful again. Windows stop being insect entry points. Farmers have used this trick for generations. Beachgoers rely on it during summers. The burning paper smell gets neutralized. Your home stays protected for hours. Mothballs reveal another cleaning secret. 3 balls create powerful cleaning solution. Crush them carefully into fine powder. This powder becomes cleaning gold. Mix with hot water thoroughly. White vinegar boosts the power. Fabric softener adds lasting fragrance. Dish soap provides cleaning strength. The complete mixture fills 2 liters. A hole in the cap controls flow. This cleaner disinfects as it cleans. Floors shine with minimal effort. The scent lingers pleasantly for days. Cockroaches avoid treated areas completely. Hot days become more manageable. The solution feels almost magical. You'll never buy commercial cleaners again. Every corner gets proper attention. Bathrooms sparkle with freshness. Kitchens lose grease and odors. Living rooms feel professionally cleaned. The sense of accomplishment is immense. Your home deserves this level of care. You deserve to enjoy these results. Simple ingredients create extraordinary outcomes. The satisfaction lasts between cleanings. Try it today. The difference stuns. Share your results in the comments. This knowledge should spread widely. Everyone deserves a fresh, clean home. The rich have kept these secrets. Now they belong to you too. Pass them along to loved ones. Transform homes everywhere with these tricks. The power was in your hands. Now you hold the knowledge. Use it wisely and often. Enjoy your newly fresh spaces. Breathe deeply in your clean home. Feel proud of your clever solution. The simplest things work best. Nature provides amazing solutions. Science backs these traditional methods. Your grandmother probably knew some. Modern life forgot these gems. Now they're rediscovered and shared. The cycle of knowledge continues. Each generation adds new wisdom. The core truths remain constant. Cleanliness brings peace of mind. Fresh scents uplift the spirit. Organized spaces calm the soul. You've unlocked domestic harmony. The secret is finally out. Your home transforms today. Begin your fresh new chapter.